Okay, green butterflies. Today we are on lesson 12.9, halves. How can a shape be separated into two equal shares? Draw to solve. Two friends share the sandwich on the left. How can they cut the sandwich so that each person gets an equal share? Go ahead and do that. Pause the video while you do it, and then turn it back on. All right, did you divide it into an equal share? There are actually several possible ways to get this right. You could draw a line straight down the middle that way, or you could draw a line straight down the middle that way, or you could draw a line corner to corner that way, or corner to corner that way. For the purposes of this, I'm going to do top to bottom. I don't care which way you do it. Okay, so as long as you have it as close to equal as you can reasonably do. I know you're not a computer. Okay, I'm happy. Then let's see what happens. I was mixed up. They just wanted you to show two different ways. So go ahead and do one on one sandwich and one way on the other sandwich. Do yours have to look exactly like mine? No, they don't. Just try to make them equal. All right. Go ahead, turn the page. Two equal shares make one whole. Two equal shares, or two halves. Is one half of the circle larger or smaller than the whole circle? Is half of it larger than the whole circle or smaller than this whole circle? It's smaller. Now, there's something really important you need to know about the word half. Half means one of two equal shares. So when you say, hey, I want the bigger half or I want the smaller half, is that actually even possible? No, it's not. We can't have a bigger half or the smaller half because halves are exactly the same size. Now, I know you're not a computer, so I know you can't draw exactly half, but just do the best you can. Draw a line to show halves. So just pick away, draw a line to show halves. And do it on all of those. Here it says circle the shapes that show halves. Is that halves? Yes, it is. They're both equal. So you would circle it. Is that halves? No, because this one's skinny. Somebody would say, hey, I want the bigger half. But that wouldn't even be a half, would it? So don't circle that one. Go ahead and get started.